Hey you guys, hope that you're having an amazing day. Getting ready to put my lashes on, and I thought, hey, let me do a quick video to show you guys how to use these amazing magnetic lashes. So these are our lashes, Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. We have magnetic lashes now. So these are our lashes. On the box, it'll tell you how to apply them. Okay, the box says to do 3 coats, but I usually just maybe do 1 or 2. When I was doing 3 coats of lining, I was actually able to sleep with the lashes, wake up, still take a shower without wetting around my eye area too much, and I was still able to go with the lashes. I'm not sure how healthy that is for us to keep the lashes on so long, because the reason I went to magnetic lashes is just to preserve my own lashes. So just to try to get my lashes to kind of grow back. They'll never be full as these lashes, but you know, you kind of still, when you don't feel like them, you want to be able to have your own lashes. So this is how the lashes come. It's 10 in a pack, and as you can see, you have various sizes, fullness. So if you just run out to the store, but you feel kind of like, oh, I need a little splash, you just put a little short ones on, give you a little splash. If you're going out to the club or somewhere, or if you're just a person that like more dramatic lashes, you can always go with the fuller lashes. So yeah, so these are our lashes. I am going to apply it so you can see. Also, another thing I noticed, like, so you're getting two liquid liners and 1 applicator. I love the applicator. Some people like to just use their fingers, but to me, the applicator really helps me to just place the lash on my lid. And so these tend to, you think they're drying out, but the fact is they're just empty. So right now, let's see. If you can see that, I'm not sure whether, yeah. You can see how that looks. So I am going to apply it to my lid, and this one feels wet, so it still has some in there. And basically you're just doing a line like that, just like if you were going to use eyeliner. Kind of like not in front of the mirror really. I'm looking at the camera, but I need to really be, see if I could do it in front of the camera. Oh yeah, I can. This one is a little drying. I've had this set for a while, but I'm gonna still let that dry. You give it a few seconds, and I'm gonna use the other one to see. We do sell the backup, you know, your individual liquid, because the lashes are going to outlast your liquid. So try to keep that in mind. The other thing I didn't do was shake it. That helps to kind of loosen it up and kind of get it all in there. So when you go in with your brush, so if you just want to make sure your brush is moist. See, that one is kind of clumpy. It might not be as moist. Let me see. Oh, but it feels moist. It's really hard to do things when you're doing a video. When you're not doing a video, it's like pop, get it done, you're done. So hopefully that looks decent there. Yeah, that feels okay. You'll feel it kind of drying on your lid. So there's another. And to remove this product, you just use micellar water. I find that that's the best product, and it does say that on your lash kit as well. And you know, you could also use soap and water. I found also like the eye makeup remover wipes are pretty nice too. So I'm gonna just let that dry a little bit. Then I use my applicator, which I love. Now let's see what lashes we're gonna go for today. Let me see. Let me go for these. I'm gonna go for this one right here. Give me a little drama. So this is magnetic, so want to be careful and not put it too close up to the strip, because then you're going to have issues with it being kind of stuck, you know, on the, not stuck, but the magnet kind of forcing together working it out. I feel like something is there, but it's not. Okay. I think they're dry enough for me to plop these on. And also, when you take your lashes off, after about 2 or 3 uses, you want to take the micellar water and clean it, you know. This light is not so good in here, so I'm not sure. I'll put my little flashlight on here so we can see. Okay, so then the lash will literally just kind of jump on your eye. Look at that, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, lashes. And then I like to kind of feel the rim of it with my finger. Make sure it's laying down pretty good. And there it is. Voila. You have lashes, honey, in matter of seconds. Fabulous. Looking like extensions. What y'all talking about? So now, get the other one out. See how I just got that holding like that? But then I put my other phone down and turn this around like this. So it should look like this, so you could flop it on your lid. But you want to get it in a good spot here so you can get some support, some hold. And then you just kind of go to your lash, get the hair out the way, and just find your position. And you just put it on there, and it is your friend, y'all. Look at that. See what I'm saying? Then you just got to take your hand and just kind of put it on like that, and you are out the door. And during the day, it tends to get more and more kind of secure on there. It feels really good and tight. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, let me see this corner looking suspect. But yeah, that is it, y'all. Ready for the day. I'm gonna put a little lip gloss on and a little powder on my face. So now I'm gonna do some videos about hair. Mwah! Love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support of Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. Thank you for allowing me to present this tutorial to you. This one is doing something weird. And you know, the lashes have 6 magnetic points. So if a lash might be too long for your eyelid, when I say long, not length this way, but you know, for the lid, you can cut in between those magnetic points to fit it more perfect for your lid. So I'm gonna leave mine alone for now, even though this one is kind of getting on my nerves a little bit. It feels weird, but it does that too sometimes. Like, it'll feel weird initially, and then after a while you don't feel it weird anymore. Maybe you just get used to looking at it. I'm not sure. Love you guys. Thank you again for all your support of Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. Mwah.